That'll make a way for you to go up here.
But I
here?
got that way.
Come on, up here.
Oh, not the next way.
Widowmakers. First thing you do, mate, you check up there.
Yeah, I don't know dead for.
That's exactly. That's the first thing you do when you're camping. Check above your head. You'll get that.
Land on us.
You'll get it. You'll get that. You'll rip it up. He's after it now.
I can obviously see his eyes.
Yeah. Leave it, Nick. There you go. The Glee family, wild camping for the first time.
Not my first time.
That's Pauline. Say hello. That's Mark. And there's little Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte.
Hello.
Keep away.
And there's Nipper. And here's me. Nipper likes pasties, look.
Yeah, it's a sausage roll. She's give it middle, but she likes the the flaky shit around it. Don't you?
Nipper likes your food. Look at it. Look him straight up to the camera, then that'll be a good shot, that. Bit of wild camping, eh? Mark out with his family, wild camping. He's done it in another life, but not in this life. And there he is, the miserable bastard. Look at him. And there's his wife, Pauline. And there's his little baba, Charlotte.
Where?
And there's little Nipper after Charlotte's sausage roll. And there's my setup. I'm in the one wind crystal hammock, one wind tarp with the whatever they call. It works well, that hammock, with it's got the underquilt protector on. I've got the Equinox underquilt on it and a Pariah top quilt, and it seems to be doing alright, that. Nice little setup. So auto rucksack, which I've got all sizes, and I've got my Alicantex chest rig with my filming gear in, but I forgot my tripod. So forgot Nipper's drinking dish because I'm clever, so he's drinking out with Tupperware tub. We've got a nice tripod and a fire going for some steaks after there. No fires on the ground when it's warm. And we're in a nice place for a first time wild camp. Oh, I've got Mark's head in it there.
Got what?
Put some little fairy lights up, put a little in. Right, now you've got to be a monster now. Rah! Rah! You're a monster! Bigger monsters coming now. Bigger monsters coming now for you. Rah! Go on, Charlotte, don't go too far, cockle. Good girl. Come on now, let me see if I can hide behind this tree. I'm hiding, you can't see me. You can't see me anymore. You little monster.
You can sit next to Mum.
Bit of dappled sunlight through trees, look at that.
Oh, I haven't got my phone.
Who is it?
It's in on the bed thing so I could take some pictures while the sun's like.
Nipper now.
Stroke
Stroke him.
Stroke Nip. Stroke him.
Stroke him. Look, he loves it, look.
Oh,
Look at that little nipper. He loves Charlotte, doesn't he?
Oh, you beard it, loves it, doesn't she? If you brought a little church, you'd have been fucking happy as fuck.
yeah. I mean, I don't mind standing sitting on the floor anyway.
Yeah, I know. That blood comes to the top now, tell her, Kiki. That blood coming to the top. Said she could use mine rather than hers, that way hers won't be gone.
Oh, we can't miss Nipper out. Smart.
Be alright if you had a setup like this. You know that we're already set up, you know, we're like benches made.
You had your own land?
Yeah, benches made and shit, and a proper big fire pitted floor.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Kettle on the fire for Marco brew.
Yeah.
Pauline's looking for spirits because she's run out of wine.
Well, hey. Is anybody out there?
Pauline's
She's
looking
shit
for
herself.
spirits because she's run out of wine. She thinks, fuck it, I'll have some spirits instead.
Or someone can advise me which is the best spirit box.
Pauline, Youngun's gone to bed now, I think. Youngun's got bed in the
Better go.
Pomole Bromont 70 tent. Or Dragon's Lair. I don't like that name, Bromont, does me head in. There's our fire. I've had 4 steaks off that fire because nobody else were in. No, 3 steaks because nobody else were interested in eating steak. But I had the runs before I ate the steak. It's even worse now. It's got heartburn or an hernia because he tried to climb a tree like a little nipper earlier on. It didn't work out too well for him, you know what I
Moving
mean?
on a picture. Too.
Yeah. Pauline tried to find the best spirit box because she's fed up her
Not
own
finding
box. Anyway, that's enough for now. Chill out, see you all later. That's where I was camped last night. Leave no trace.